If you're a small business owner, then this probably sounds familiar. Your business is making sales, customers are calling, work is coming in, but somehow you still feel stressed about money. Maybe payroll's coming due, rent's due, or a large bill just came in and you're trying to figure out where you're going to get the cash to pay these. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many small businesses don't fail because of a lack of sales or making money. It's because they don't manage their cash flows effectively. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe, a licensed certified public accountant with over 15 years experience in corporate and public accounting. I have an extensive background in accounting, audit, and taxes, and I'm all about helping you take control of your money by living smarter. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. And check out the blog site where we post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today, I'm going to share practical cash flow management tips that can help you keep more money available in your business, reduce financial stress, and put yourself in a position to grow. These are simple strategies that any business owner can start using immediately. Let's get into it. Let's start our conversation by defining what is cash flow and why it matters. Before we talk about improving cash flow, let's make sure we're talking about the same thing. Cash flow is simply the movement of money into and out of your business. Money coming in includes things like customer payments, service revenue, product sales, and any other income your business receives. Money going out includes payroll, rent, utilities, supplies, insurance, taxes, loan payments, and other operating expenses. Here's something many business owners don't realize. A business can be profitable on paper and still run out of cash. Let's say you own a landscaping company. During the month, you complete $200,000 worth of work. On paper, that's great. However, your customers have 30 days to pay their invoice. Meanwhile, you have to pay employees every week, buy fuel, purchase supplies, and pay insurance premiums today. You may show a profit, but you do not have enough cash available. You can still find yourself struggling to pay bills. That's why I often tell business owners that profit is important, but cash flow keeps the doors open. Think of cash flow as the oxygen for your business. Without it, even profitable businesses can quickly find itself in trouble. Let's move our conversation to talk about understanding your cash flow cycle. The next step is understanding how money moves through your business. Every business has a cash flow cycle. For example, maybe you provide a service today, send an invoice tomorrow, and get paid 30 days later. That's your cash flow cycle. The problem is that your expenses usually don't wait 30 days. You may need to buy supplies immediately. You may need to pay employees every week. You may have monthly rent and utility payments. The more you understand the timing of money coming in and money going out, the better decisions you can make. Take some time this week and answer these questions. How long does it typically take customers to pay? What are your biggest monthly expenses? When are those expenses due? Do you have a slow months during the year? Do you have a busy season? Knowing the answer to these questions can help you prepare instead of react. Too many business owners wait until they have a cash shortage before paying attention. The goal is to see potential problems before they happen. Alrighty, let's talk about invoicing quickly to get paid faster. One of the easiest ways to improve cash flow is also one of the most overlooked, and that is to send invoices to your clients immediately. I can't tell you how many times I've worked with business owners who finish a project but don't send the invoice for several days or even weeks. Every day you wait to invoice is another day you wait to get paid. Let's say you finish the job on Monday, but don't send the invoice until Friday. That's 4 extra days the customer even has an opportunity to pay you. Instead, make invoicing a part of your process. Complete the work, send the invoice, move on to the next project. You should also make you should also make it easy for customers to pay you. Offer credit card payments, ACH, or you can offer online payment links. The easier you make it for customers to pay, the faster you'll receive your money. A simple change in invoicing habits can dramatically improve cash flow over time. Now, here's another part where business owners struggle, and that's don't be afraid to collect what's owed to you. Let's talk about something many business owners struggle with, and that is collecting on unpaid invoices. A lot of people feel uncomfortable following up on money they're owed. They don't want to seem too pushy, they don't want to upset customers, but here's the reality: you completed the work, you provided the service, you earned the pay. Following up isn't being rude, it's being responsible. Be sure to create a system within your business. Set a reminder a few days before the invoice is due. Send another reminder after it's late. If necessary, pick up the phone and call the customer. Most of the times, customers aren't refusing to pay. They simply forgot. A consistent follow up process can significantly improve your cash flow without requiring any additional sales. Remember, sales don't help your business until the money actually reaches your bank account. All right, let's talk about expense control in order to keep more cash. Now, let's talk about the other side of the equation, and that's expenses. Many business owners focus entirely on increasing revenue while ignoring unnecessary spending. Improving cash flow isn't always about making more money. Sometimes it's about keeping more of the money you already are earning. Review your expenses regularly. Look at every subscription, every vendor relationship, and look at every reoccurring charge. And then you're going to want to ask yourself a few questions. Do I still need this in my business? Am I actually using this service? Can I negotiate a better rate? And can I find a less expensive alternative? Even small savings can have a major impact over time. For example, saving $100 per month doesn't seem like much, but that's $1,200 per year. Multiply that across several expenses, suddenly you improved your cash flow significantly. Successful business owners are intentional with spending. Every dollar should have a purpose. Next, we're going to talk about building a cash reserve for emergencies. If there's one piece of advice I wish every business owner would follow, it's this: build a cash reserve. Something unexpected will happen. Equipment will break, a vehicle will need repairs, a customer will pay late. Sales may slow down unexpectedly. The businesses that survive these situations usually have cash reserves. The businesses that don't often find themselves relying on credit cards, high interest loans, or personal savings. Start small if necessary. Maybe it's $50 per week. Maybe it's 5% of every payment you receive. The amount matters less than the habit. Over time, your reserve will grow. Ideally, I like to see businesses eventually build enough cash to cover 3 to 6 months of operating expenses. That cushion can provide tremendous peace of mind and financial stability. Let's move into talking about forecasting cash flow. The final tip is to forecast your cash flow. This sounds complicated, but it really isn't. A cash flow forecast is simply a plan. Estimate how much money you expect to receive next month. Then you're also going to estimate how much money you expect to spend next month. Compare the two numbers. That's it. It's a simple exercise that helps you answer important questions like: can you afford to hire another employee? Can you purchase new equipment? Can you expand your business? Do you need financing? The more visible you have, the more visibility you have into the future, the better decisions you'll make today. Business owners who forecast cash flow are rarely surprised. Business owners who don't forecast often find themselves scrambling. Planning it ahead creates confidence. So, what's our bottom line? Let's quickly recap cash flow management tips. First, we have to understand what cash flow is and why it matters. Second, you have to learn what is your cash flow cycle within your business. Third, we're going to send invoices to our clients immediately. Fourth, we're going to be sure to follow up on those unpaid invoices consistently. Fifth, we're going to control our expenses and eliminate any unnecessary spending. Sixth, we're going to build a cash reserve for emergencies. And finally, we're going to forecast your cash flow so you can plan ahead. Remember, cash flow management doesn't require an accounting degree. It simply requires paying attention to where your money is going and making smarter decisions consistently. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with another small business owner who could benefit from these tips. Thank you for watching, and tune in next week to learn about business bank accounts and why your business needs one.